Good afternoon, this is Elias with CR Home Inspections, and I'm performing a sewer line inspection at 6410 West 84th Place in the city of Westchester. I inserted the camera through the vent stack located above the hallway bathroom. Camera was only able to travel approximately 40-50 feet. I'm going to go ahead, I zeroed out the ticker. We're going to work our way back because I pushed back and forth so many times that the ticker changes when you struggle pushing the camera through. So we're going to get an exact measurement here. This is a clay line. Clay lines typically last a lifetime. However, number one enemy of a clay line is roots. Roots can get in through the seams and can cause potential damage. Another potential issue with clay lines is earthquakes. Earthquakes can cause settling and cracks in the line. Now, again, due to multiple turns, especially in the attic, I was unable to push the camera any further. Looks like my camera got hung up on that little lip. Typically, my camera would get over that, but there's way too many turns, too much friction on this fiber optic line that I'm unable to push any further. So we're going to go ahead and pull back. We're going to go up what appeared to be a chimney drop. I was running water. Yep, chimney drop. There's a little bit of roots in this. I saw it even, there it is, roots off to the side. I recommend installing a two-way clean out and hydrojetting the line. Now, that one, it's a smaller root. You could probably wait another 3 to 5 years, but still I recommend installing a two-way clean out at the front of the line and a reinspection. There's a little critter going by, very typical. We traveled 19 feet in reverse. A lot of friction in this line. There's one of the turns. Well, actually the third turn we've gone through. Traveled 34 feet in reverse. And now we come into cast iron line. Cast iron lines have a lifespan of 50 to 90 years. Over time, cast iron lines develop corrosion globs, diminishing the overall shape and diameter of the line. Now, the connection from cast iron to the clay, there's an offset. It's holding a little bit of water there. Actually, quite a bit of water. Camera is now underwater. Quite a bit of corrosion in here off to the sides, and it's just a short run. It looks like everything else was replaced with plastic ABS, so there's a small section of cast iron that is still there. When I went underneath the home, the rest of the house did have plastic ABS. Now here's another turn at the bottom of the toilet, working our way up, and here's another turn. That was the problem. The turns in the attic are always the most difficult. There's another turn in the attic. And another turn in the attic. And this is what made it really difficult. And another turn in the attic. There's more turns in the attic than there are on the ground. So, for a point of reference, this is the vent stack where I inserted the camera. Here is the backyard, neighbor's house there. And there's a chimney, front yard. Once again, this is Elias with CR Home Inspections. I recommend reviewing our written notes in section 8.1. Thank you.